Alright, so welcome to module 2, video 2. So quickly we want to create our logo. So once you are in your Canva home page, is the home section. You can see the home, the project, the plus button, the template, the themes. So let's go to the logo section. We click on see all. So we look at the template, the logo template, anyone that we love, we can open it and start working on it. Don't forget, anyone that has this icon, this crown, it means that it's a premium template. Look at it here. Anyone that has a crown, just avoid them. So you will see like this one now doesn't have a crown. So this one too, you don't have a crown. So you can open them and start playing around with them. So just take note of that. So if you love something like this now, this one here, let's click on it. So it's loading the template for us. So if it's taking time, that means maybe your internet connection is a little bit slow. So now this is the logo. If you click on it, you can edit it, you can change it. These are the options that is available. Anything you select, it will give you the options. The menu options will change at the bottom. You can scroll down to see all the options to your right and to your left. This is the keyboard, this is the font, this is the text style, this is the size. If you want to reduce the size, you click on the font size. This bar, drag it to the left, and the more you take it to the left, the smaller it becomes, and if you bring it back to the right, it becomes extremely big. So we've started editing our logo. So you can click on the design. If you want to change the color, you can scroll up to see all the colors. If you are done, click on the X at the extreme right. If you want to change the text, click on it. Now take note, to carry the text, look at this cross button here. Click on it and drag. As you drag it around, it will move the text. So if you want to edit it, just click on the keyboard and you can change it to P designs or designers. If you want to change the color, the text color, you click out, select it again, scroll down to color here, click on the color, and you can change it. Click on the X to close the menu. Then the premium too, if you want to change the text, just click on it, click on the text. It will give you the corner box. This corner box, it means that you are ready to edit that text. So you can type Designers Club. So if you want to delete the logo, you can click on the dustbin icon. If you want to duplicate, you can see that's duplicated. So that's how you can easily. Then this black background, if you want to change it, the color, just click on it. It will select with the edge point. Then look at the color here, black. Select the color. You can scroll up to change the color. So anything you click, you will see the effect on the screen. So that's how you can easily create a logo. So when you are done, you can come here and click on download. Now another thing I need to add is, in case you might want to bring in your icon from Google, maybe you want to bring in your image. How do you do that? Come to this plus sign, click on it. You can come to elements. Under elements, you have all these icons. You can bring them into your design. You have circle, you have line, you have square, rectangle. You can click to see what is there. These are shapes. You can click on see all to see all the shapes. So you can come to frames. You can see these are different frames you can bring into your design. Once you click any one, it will just insert it into your design. So then to reduce the size, you can use this corner point. So same thing goes if you want to bring in image, like we said, click on the plus sign, then come to gallery. This is your gallery, click on it. You can see all the options here. You have design, you have elements, you have text. To add text to your design, you have gallery, brand, upload, draw. So if you want to upload into Canva, these are things I've uploaded. So upload, you click on upload button, select upload file. That is after you have downloaded the image into your download or into your gallery. So it will show you preview of what you have downloaded. So if you are bringing this logo in now, just click on it. Then the next thing, it will start uploading into Canva. So let me go back again. Let me check on the uploads. Click on uploads. Okay, it has not added that logo. Okay, this is it here. Click on it and it will insert it into your design. You can see now the logo is covering the letter P. If you want to take it down, you can use the edge point to take it down. If you are deleting it, you can delete it from here. Select the logo again, then drag it outside and bring it in here. So you might ask, okay, in case I want to remove the white background, what do I do? Very easy. Go back to your Chrome. Once you get to your Chrome, visit a site called remove.bg. I didn't show them this in the live class, but if they go through this tutorial video now, they can get across to this. So that image that has a background you want to remove, you can upload it here. Once you upload it, let me look for that logo. Okay, click on done at the top right. Then it will work on the background. It will remove the background. You can see. So then you download the logo now without background. So in case you might have a picture that you need, you don't want the background. So with this, download. Once it's downloaded, then come back to your Canva. Then you now go back to upload on the down menu bar. Click on upload it, then bring it into your design. So I'm going to stop the video here. So I believe with this, you should be able to do your assignment. The assignment is in the WhatsApp classroom God bless you. See you in the next class. Thank you.